But Dr. Arora, I want to start this podcast by a sad news that we have recently, heard about. An engineer in Kanpur, जिसने अपना hair transplant कराया. लोग समझते हैं, hair transplant is a normal surgery. Anybody can do hair transplant. इसलिए वो इतने सारे centers भी खुल गए हैं अब इंडिया पे. But that engineer has actually lost his life after hair transplant. So ऐसा हुआ क्यों? Why do you think this happened?
Yes, Mr. Ishant, it is really very sad to know the death of an engineer. People think that hair transplant surgery is just a minor surgery. They take it very, very lightly. No, it's not a minor surgery. It's a major surgery. It is the only surgery in medical sciences which is performed for 8 to 10 hours under local anesthesia. So, proper assessment of the patient, investigation on the part of patient to screen for any underlying disease, whether the patient is fit for undergoing hair transplant or not, whether the patient has some underlying heart disease, or the patient is smoker, or patient is alcoholic.
Okay.
These things also matter on part of patient. Okay. Now coming to the second part, on part of doctor. The thing is now just saying from one case to other, new coming doctor feel that it is very easily surgery. They find easy money into it. At the end, they venture into it without having proper knowledge of the subject, without knowing the proper training, without knowing what are the precaution measures, without having the proper knowledge of anesthetic drugs, how much anesthesia drug has to be given. It's not possible sitting here to assess what could be the cause.